I was duped, part 2. Got that coming up. The other day I put out a video called DJI Phantom Alive Exclusive. On Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live, I took the first few minutes of the program to apologize for that video and explain the singular reason why that video was deleted. So without any further ado, I'm going to roll that clip in its entirety from the show. Now, I want to let everybody know about my video from last night. I know I got a lot of comments about the video. I want to issue an apology to all my viewers and subscribers. The gentleman who sent me the email had altered the email, and I'm going to go ahead and share that. I'm going to share the original. I'm going to share the email that he sent to me, and then I'm going to share the original email. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And there we go. I think we should have that there. Okay. You can see right here, and this is from, you can see, okay. The email that he sent me said, Brian, there will be newer versions of Phantom coming. And I want to go ahead and share with you a screen that says, now this was from Phantom Pilots Forum, and this was dated 8/31/2018. I got this a week ago from DJI CEO Frank Wang. I'd say we can expect a new Phantom as outlined by his reply, okay? Now, the reply was that there may still have newer versions of Phantom coming. I want to issue, again, an apology to all my viewers and subscribers. That video has been deleted. It is gone. It will not be up there. And one thing, I will take my lumps for this, but I will also tell everybody to double check, triple check, and make sure you try to verify your sources before you run with something. Again, that was my big mistake. And again, I wanted to apologize for that. So one of the things that I want you to notice is I went ahead and made sure in this video to prominently display the emails. Unfortunately, on Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live, they did not display correctly. And so again, my apologies for that. But here you were able to see them. I wanted to also go ahead and echo what I said the other night is I apologize to each and every one of my subscribers. I did not double check my source in this instance, and for that I do apologize. You deserve better, and I will endeavor to make sure that I double check and triple check and quadruple check sources before going out and airing anything on Build a Drone Reviewer. On the follow-up to the Unleash Your Inner Self event, I put a follow-up video to that yesterday, and I had triple-checked that resource from 3 people and 3 individuals who I do know and who are reliable before I went ahead and put that out that video last night. So again, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. Going forward, I will make sure that you have the best content that I can possibly deliver out there because you deserve nothing less. And remember, it's a great day to fly. Take care, everyone.